Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see a 3 kilowatt solar plant installation at a site at Gudur. So here you are going to have a horizontal channel as well as vertical channel. So horizontal channels are made up of galvanized iron and vertical channels are made up of aluminum alloy, and these are the solar panels, so which are nothing but N-Topcon bifacial solar panels exclusively made by Tata Power. Here you can see the DC cable where we are using this cable to connect the solar panels as well as the inverter. And coming to the site, here we are now at the Gudur site, and here we are having an plastic conduit bites, and these are nothing but the galvanized steel horizontal channels we are using for the structuring. Okay, and like this we have six number of 550-watt bifacial solar panel made by the Tata. Okay, now we are going to assemble all these things. You can see the specification at the data sheet. On these, technicians are giving the wiring connections for all the six panels. They are connected in series, and here you can see here how the structure is made, very beautiful. And this is an 3 kilowatt plant, and we will upgrade it for a 5 kilowatt plant. That's why we had left it freely, and we will upgrade it in the upcoming. Now we can see the inverters, okay, as well as the grounding. Here we are going to have three rods, which are nothing but three copper rods. So the purpose of these three copper rods is, one is for, so you see this rod, this is three rods are there, and this powder is called as a conductivity powder. Rather than using a normal coal and sand, we directly use the powder, and these three electrodes are for lightning purpose as inverter. These are called as in string inverters made by the brand Solex. So this is an exclusive kit from Tata made. So here we have DC to DC converters as well as we have AC to DC box, and this is an smart grid connected inverter.